Welcome back, everybody. So guys, instead of talking about the HTML first, I think we should talk about the environment, the place where the place we need to make in our PC to work on its complete web development program. So first of all, you need a browser. I prefer the Chrome browser. You can use Firefox or whatever you prefer, no problem, in browser for now at least. But the other thing is the code editor. Which code editor you need? You can use a lot of things like the code editor. I'm using the Sublime for now. You can use Notepad++, which is now not previously I was just working on the Notepad++ continuously in multiple of my courses, but now I prefer the Sublime because it has a lot of new features you'll be learning later in this course. So by the way, where to get the Sublime or some more code editors? I also use the Visual Studio Code. That's another awesome thing. When you're just working on JavaScript or jQuery or any other JavaScript or JS related work, you should use the Visual Studio Code. But in that case, the Sublime is again another good thing. I'm using the Sublime. I'll be using the Sublime most of the time probably. So another good thing in a Sublime is it's actually it works in a slow computers. If you have some kind of low RAM or you're not having a kind of great graphic card, you can still use the Sublime, but the other code editors can take a lot of space. Meanwhile, let's just go to the browser to visit the place where we can get the browser. I'm going to the google.com. I actually prefer the Google. Maybe most of the people also prefer the Google. So Sublime, okay, just type Sublime and there you got it. Just click on Sublime. There's a website, sublimetext.com, and you can see that a sophisticated text editor, blah blah blah, a lot of things you can see there. So the download for Windows, if you're just using not Windows, so you'll get another thing, or you just can go to the download and you can get another versions like the OS X, the Linux repos in etc, or the Windows 64-bit portable version also available there. You just simply need to download it. And there are some features. They're just showing us how great it is, whatever. I'm just gonna click on download button, and then here it'll be downloading. Then you can simply install it, no problem. After the installing, you will get, I'm not gonna download that by the way, I just want to show you. So after the downloading, you will get the software in a list of your detailed software. So you just simply can search it, and there, like the different softwares, you can get access on that, and then you will get this beautiful look. By the way, this look won't be that much beautiful when you just first install it. It'll be something like theme, default theme. This will be the this will be the default theme once you will install the Sublime. So when you just need to go, you just want the black theme like I had previously. You just need to go to the preference and the themes, and there you just need to click on adaptive Sublime theme. By the way, I've installed some other elements like you can see that here. If I just go to the theme, the Agila, whatever the spelling it is, the classic Sublime, the Cobalt, the Dracula, the light, and etc, they actually have some differences. If I just click on the Sublime, classic Sublime, you can see that it's totally changed, but still I prefer that one, the adaptive theme. So it's cool, and a lot of things we'll be learning about it in detail later on, or you can just Google about Sublimes. You also can have the packages. You can install different kind of packages from internet, from different sources. So the packages will make the Sublime more interesting. Now I think we should dig into the HTML, but one thing more, what is the Visual Studio Code? Why not we just talk about the Visual Studio Code too? I'm just opening that. Okay, google.com, here it is, the Visual Studio Code line break. Okay, there's a Visual Studio Code. You can simply download it. There it is. If I just go inside, you can see that there it is. It's look there, it has the extensions just like the Sublime has the plugins or packages. It has the extension. You can simply install that extensions to get your code editor more extended. Also you can download it. Here you can see that there is a download for Windows stable build or other platform. You can just visit it. So this is the Visual Studio Code. This is great for the JavaScripting, any kind of JS solution, and the Sublime is best for PHP, HTML, and JavaScript too. But absolutely, we're gonna use the Sublime because it's best solution for slow computers too. This is why I'm just making this. I'm just using the Sublime, and it's great too. So in the next video we'll be talking about the HTML in actual. Stay tuned and goodbye.